friends, I had a subscriber request a recipe for Italian blend seasoning. Italian seasoning. So, I'm going to give you my version of Italian seasoning. And it's really easy. Okay? This is what I use a lot. So, first thing is 1 tablespoon of basil. And this is my own basil that I grow. I love this stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of oregano. And that is also my homegrown oregano. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of rosemary. And that's also my homegrown. I grow a lot of my own herbs. We're going to do, now I like the Italian parsley for this. I grew this too. I love this stuff. Most all of these I grew, except for the thyme. Now I grew lemon thyme, but we're going to put 1 tablespoon of thyme. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of sage. Not, you know, a scant tablespoon of sage. Sage is pretty potent. Then I'm going to do what I always do, and I don't know if anybody else does, but you can certainly omit the salt and pepper. But I do a scant tablespoon of pepper. And I also do the same with salt. A scant tablespoon of salt. And I'll write this recipe. I'll put this recipe in I'll put it right in the video. At the end, you'll see it. Okay, so that's what I do. A tablespoon of each of those. Mix it all up really good. This stuff is fantastic. Oh my gosh. It smells wonderful. And that, my friends, is my version of an Italian seasoning. Put it in my little container. And that's how easy that is to put together. And look at there. Beautiful. Nice. So there you have it. That came by request. Easy to put together, and it's good for anything Italian. There you have it, friends. That's simple. Thanks for watching.